नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं चैनल वन। 7 नवंबर को द ओबराय ग्रैंड कोलकाता में अमेजन गेट इंडियन फेस्टिवल 2023 की एक झलक दिखाई गई। आइए हमारे चैनल के माध्यम से देखते हैं ये पूरा कार्यक्रम कैसा रहा, और वीडियो के अंत में ऐसी खबरों को पाने के लिए चैनल वन को आज ही सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।
This is my 20th time in Kolkata.
20th
I
time.
have been to Kolkata many times, and I'll talk about it a little later on why.
Okay. So, as it is your 20th time, so there might be your favorite restaurant. Is there any?
Of course, my favorite by far is Peter Cat.
Peter Cat. Okay, almost our Shabari favorite. And Kishore, the same question goes to you as well. Is this your first time in Kolkata? Request karta আমাদের esteemed media ke please কেউ সামনে আসবে না, because I know সবারই cameras এখন on আছে. Coming to the question, is this your first time to Kolkata?
This is my first time in life. Yes.
Wow, so very warm welcome to Kolkata, I must say.
Thank you. It's a great city. Glad to see you.
क्या आपको मौका मिला है आसपास किसी भी रेस्टोरेंट में जाने का to try out our cuisine?
Yeah, I like Six Elegance place. The Petki Machi Road is awesome. Something I would have multiple times.
Oh, wonderful. Us Bengalis love March. We love Rasgulla and we love Six Elegance place. I'm so glad you tried it out and you loved it again.
Sure. So, good morning, welcome everybody to the Amazon Arena. We are really thankful all of you could make it here today. Behind you are the various big categories that Amazon has to offer, not only during this festival season, but all through the year. We have more than 15 crore products, and a small sample of some of the categories that we deal in is behind you. So after this particular briefing, I would highly encourage you to go ahead, engage, experience, and also compete with your counterparts to see what all you stand a chance to win. It's really exciting, so do have a look at that. By way of introduction, my name is Nishant Sathana. I am a director of consumer electronics at Amazon India, and it's great for me to be back in Kolkata. Kolkata, by the way, has a very special place in my heart. This is the place where about 20 years ago I started my professional journey, and I will always remember that day when from Virginia House to Russell Street, I ran down walking looking for a PCO just to inform my parents I have a job at ITC. And it's been a great journey. I've stayed in Calcutta for quite a few years, kept coming back to Calcutta because that's where head office was, and it's a great city. I was just speaking to Kishore about it. You always feel a sense of warmth, a sense of joy, when you are in Calcutta. So it has a very special place in my heart. Now, coming to Amazon and the Great Indian Festival, we are entering into the finale days. Just 4 more days to go. 15 crore products on offer, 5,000 new launches, great deals across the board. I will highly encourage you all to shop before the event is over. Just the last 4 days before us. Amazon India is also available in Bengali, and customers who prefer that language can come and shop with us. So some very big advancements and meaningful advancements in the shopping experience side. And to tell you more about that, I would wish to invite my colleague Kishore, who leads shopping experience for Amazon India and emerging markets. Kishore.
I run shopping experience for Amazon, and I've been with Amazon for about 16 years and been part of the India journey for the last 10 years or so, being part of the launch and the overall growth of Amazon in India, including on all the different regions. So just this, it's really, if you look back, it's so humbling to see how Amazon India has become part of our customers' daily lives and also our sellers' livelihoods. So a lot of sellers depend on Amazon just by selling. It's a primary source of income. It's a real business and a real livelihood for our customer, for our sellers. So looking back, it wasn't like that. If you look back 10 years, we started with a single FC, 100 sellers, and we were delivering at a certain much lower speed than we expected and we wanted. But now if you look back at that journey, we have 1.4 lakh sellers, 14 lakh sellers actually. And that's a very large number with 55,000 of sellers right just from West Bengal itself. And one of the things that we focused on, if I were to just look at the 3 primary pillars that we focused on, the core shopping experience as we call it, in terms of how products are available to you and how you can browse, how you can look for items and make decisions on those items. We introduced 3 main pillars within that, and just being able to provide in a local language. And Bengali was one of the first languages we launched way back in 2018, and grew that in terms of the number of products available in that language and the number of experiences available in that language. The breadth of Amazon selection, when powered by the influence, the additional point to that is the feel those products. So it's in addition to that, we continue to introduce multiple new, we launched about 1,000 new product improvement features to make it new. So you can think of like the combination of hard work across the board, right from operation, our customer service agents, our selections that our sellers bring to our platform, make it more affordable to purchase. So it's a collective. Finally, just to summarize, Nishant mentioned just to summarize, our 4 million cubic feet of space that we operate from to ship orders to our sellers. We have many additional programs. For example, there's a program called Karigar, which movies that sell on Amazon. Then there is a program called Launchpad, again, ready available here as well. Continuously connected to West Bengal and investments in this thing.
देखिए, बंगाल में हमारे पास 55,000 से भी ज़्यादा सेलर्स हैं, राइट, जो अपना माल केवल बंगाल में ही नहीं पूरे इंडिया में बेच रहे हैं। और एज फार एज बायर्स आर कंसर्न, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि कंज्यूमर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में प्रति साल पिछले साल के मुकाबले 50% से भी ज़्यादा ग्रोथ है। तो दोनों साइड सेलर्स इकोसिस्टम प्लस कस्टमर्स बहुत हेल्दी है एज फार एज वेस्ट बंगाल इज कंसर्न।
बट बहुत सारे कस्टमर लोगों को कंप्लेन है कि अमेजोन बक्से में आ रहा है तो साबुन नहीं कुछ और दूसरा आ रहा है। इसमें अमेजोन का क्या चिंताधारा है, लाइक हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स?
We can address that later. We have to do a genuine question.
तो इसमें क्या क्या ऑफर चल रहा है?
देखिए, ऑफर जैसे मैंने बताया कि 15 करोड़ से भी ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट हमारे पास है, तो एक ऑफ़र बताना बहुत मुश्किल होगा। बट मैं आपको ये बता सकता हूँ कि जितनी भी बड़ी बड़ी कैटेगरीज हैं उन सब पे बहुत बड़ी ऑफ़र चल रही है।
कब तक चलेगा?
ये ऑफ़र 10 नवंबर तक चलेंगे। 4 दिन है हमारे पास, और जब ये ग्रेट इंडिया फेस्टिवल ख़त्म होगा, उसकी समाप्ति होगी, तो 4 दिन तक हम चाहेंगे कि कस्टमर्स आएँ और जिन लोगों ने शॉप नहीं किया वो शॉप करें, जिन लोगों ने शॉप करा है वो दोबारा शॉप करें।
तो व्हाट इज़ योर एक्सपेक्टेशन?
हमारी एक्सपेक्टेशन है कि ये वाला जो साल है वो हमारे लिए इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ अमेजॉन इंडिया सबसे बड़ा साल है।
और कौन से पिन कोड में ये अवेलेबल है?
ये पिन कोड में, ये जितने भी इंडिया के पिन कोड हैं सब में अवेलेबल है। एक भी पिन कोड हम छोड़ नहीं रहे हैं। इनफैक्ट हर एक पिन कोड से कस्टमर्स ने आके हमारे साथ इस फेस्टिवल में शॉप किया है।
कौन से प्रोडक्ट यू चूज टू बाई फॉर अ कस्टमर?
देखिए, मैं तो कंज्यूमर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स को देखता हूँ, तो मैंने अपने लिए भी वही ख़रीदा है। बट अक्रॉस, चाहे फैशन हो, चाहे होम हो, किचन हो, मोबाइल फोन हो, हर एक पे ऑफर बहुत बढ़िया है।
एक इंडियन फेस्टिवल में आपने क्या परचेज किया?
मैंने बहुत चीज़ें परचेज़ करी हैं। मैंने कपड़े परचेज़ करे हैं, जूते परचेज़ करे हैं, टैबलेट परचेज़ करे हैं, तो मैंने काफ़ी सारी कैटेगरी से परचेज़ करे हैं।
सर, आपका नाम?
मेरा नाम निशांत है।
थैंक यू।